good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's again here, Masi. In case you're new here, welcome a lot, and kindly don't forget to press that subscription button. Support our sister. So guys, I'm here again, as in I'm back, like I never left, with another video whereby I just want to show you, or let me say, I just want to unbox some gifts with you guys. So I hope you're gonna enjoy the video, and if you do so, kindly don't forget to subscribe at the end of the video, and also you give it a thumbs up, and share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this package is from Kilimall, so hope you love them the way I love some of them, not all. So to start with, I had already unpacked them because well, curiosity almost killed me. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna unpack the gifts even before I do the video. Then later I'll do the video as I also unpack it, unbox it. That's the best one. So far so good. So the first thing I got, which I have already unwrapped, and let me show you how it came. This is it. It was put in this polythene here. It was put here, then placed inside this box here. This tapping here, then wrapped with this. This is how it came. So my curiosity made me remove them. Plus the people that I also have in the house decided to also feed their eyes and admire them. So this is the first thing. I've been going to the field without a bottle of water, and as you know, sit here. I've been going to the field without even a bottle of water. To me, it has been survival. And you know, this season is from November, December up to January. It has been really sunny. And just imagine I walk without taking water from morning to evening. Well, so I decided I can't suffer, and I'm making some cash. So those cash that I'm making are the ones that bought this. So it came this way. I only do see them in Kilimall or Jumia or in these online markets. So I decided to purchase mine from Kilimall. So this is how it is. In case you've always wanted to purchase something of this sort and you wonder how it will appear, or whether it's the reality, or as in whether you'll get the same package that you've seen on the wall, yeah, you will, because I can attest to that. I received this one here. Guys, I don't know whether my lighting is good. Let me try this one. So bad. This one, no. Let me just make to that in that. So it comes into 3. This is the first one. This is its lid. The second one, this one here, which is a bit small. Then the last one is this one, which is very small. This one can just give a pupil, not even a student. Plus it also comes with these things here, the pipe that you can use in taking beet juice or water. So for me, I'll be taking both. So this one, you just put it this way, the longest pipe, put it here, then put it here, then close, then again you put this one. It also comes with this, so you put it here. My Stanley Cup is here. I'm happy to receive it. So you can either use this or you remove, close. I don't know whether you can just close it without removing this pipe, because I've tried, but I'm defeated for real. I don't know whether I'll be just removing anytime I wanna close my tin. I must remove this straw is when I close the tin. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out, but for now that's what I'll be doing. But in case you know how to do it, in that you can just close it without removing this straw here, just put it down in the comment section. I'll be able to read and I'll appreciate. Then, so as I was saying earlier, you can either use the straw, or if you don't want to use the straw, you can also use this part here, this one, just like this. You close it here first, then you use this part, just like that. I don't think whether you can carry tea inside this. It's only water with something that is not hot, let me say so. Smoothie and what have you, but for hot things it's not advisable. So this is the first item. As I said earlier, they came into 3 plus this one here. This is the straw. This one. So it's just like this. So if you want to use it, you just press here, then just like that it's open, and you sip your water using the straw. How do you like it? Do you like it the way I do? I'm here and he's laughing I don't know whether he's laughing at me or what I'm saying, or at you guys, but all in all, let's continue. Then another one is this one here, the smallest one so far. This one you can just carry it, as in the water inside it, you can only sip once and you are done. So this one I'll gift Ian because he's still small. He can use it. He's denying. I know he likes it.
I don't like it, but I like that one.
So here we are. 3.
Habari yako?
Salama, habari yako?
Nzuri sana. Mwenye ng'ombe nimemwacha huko nyuma.
Si huyo amepita hivi?
Mimi nimepita, lakini sasa kuna mama mwenye hiyo ng'ombe. Nimemwacha huko nyuma. Si kama tutakuweka hapa sana.
Si unaweza mpigia tu akuje. Unaweza mpigia.
Hayana simu. Mama Shosho anaokota mbeko ya mimi. Hizo ng'ombe.
Ariana go.
Ngogo.
Nego. Unago? No. Ati yangu mwaka. Ariana. Eso kanyende rejaze. Bakiwe no manye procedure yo. Kira to ba lip to rusim. Anna bajanje bari. Romundu mweri. Ari to kwina ne da one jaga bina wala janje ora katingira. No bajanje kana matai no bandu ba bajanje. No a request oru osiri na konari.
In the morning, and I'm going for vaccination. As you can see here, let me show you my outfit of the day first. So I'm putting on this cape and with a blue top, black trouser, and down here I have have the gumboots. As you can see, this one is for filming, and the vaccines are here. And I have my bag here with me, where I store my property. So as you can see, okay, I came some minutes. It's like an hour since I arrived here. This place, this area is called Gulu. I'm gonna show you how it looks, but I'm waiting for my boss so that she can